Alright, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you a new feature in Figma. Actually, this feature is a search function, but search function is with advanced feature. And okay, without further ado, let's jump to Figma application, okay? Today or yesterday, Figma just released a new feature, especially the feature is a search function, but the search function, I think it has advanced feature. Okay, I think I will show you how, but before how to use it. So previously, before this function release, actually Figma only able to replace name layer with bug free name layer. So if you want to change the name for the layer name, you're able to do that with Ctrl R. This is the bug free name, but you're not able to rename every text here. You only do manually, but now Figma has a feature to replace text at once. So yeah, if you do manually, you're able to do that with you hit one by one layer and you can change from the right side. This is the content function. I mean, this is the content function. But if you want to replace at once, you're able to do that with, you can hit this function, this icon. Okay, if you want to find and replace, you can hit this control icon setting and you can hit the replace. But in find feature, in find function, you're able to find all about the text, or you can specific what the type of object. So if you want to find a text or find a group or component, you're able to find based on your specification. You can filter. But if you want to replace name or text, you can find replace, and then let's say I would like to change this component breadcrumb to navigation. Okay, let's say I will find crumbs. Okay, now the system of Figma will detect all the keyword related breadcrumb, because I only have breadcrumb for the specific this component. So this component will highlight. So other component will be bit opacity. Now if you want to replace all the name here, you're able to do that. Just replace with what the name that you want to put in this component. So let's say I would like to change to navigation. Okay, you're able to do replace one or replace all. Okay, so I will hit if replace, it will replace only one, but if you replace all the related name breadcrumb will replace to navigation. That's it. That's the feature function. Okay, and I think that's the feature, a new thing in Figma. Okay, I think that's all. Okay, I hope you like my video and get my point, and if you have a question, you can leave a comment. So don't forget to like my video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye, see you soon.